Hi. So I want to talk to you a little bit more about the business, and this is the part of the business that is called canvassing. So right now I'm in a strip mall area, and you can see there's several businesses around me. There's a grocery store here. There's a bunch of businesses over here. There's actually a taqueria over at this place. And if we walk over here, this is what you want to do when you're out and about and you're doing your canvassing. You're going to see that there's clusters of businesses. So for example, as I'm walking over this way, you can see the taqueria shop, and there's a sandwich shop here. Now I already looked and I already know that the taco shop there has an ATM. So I'm going to go into the taco shop at some point, and I'm going to talk to the business owner about replacing the ATM. Now, when we look over here, and we're here walking around, as far as the clustering effect, so we want to make sure that we can hit businesses that have multiple businesses that are in common with each other that take cash. So if you look over here, you're going to see a barber shop over here. Okay, there's a barber shop, there's a hair salon there, and a yogurt shop, and a little restaurant. So the point is the barber shop customers can be in a nail shop. So the barber shop, the nail shop, and the salon, they are all clustered together, so they could all utilize, one of those businesses could utilize an ATM. So that's pretty much it for clustering and for doing canvassing. This is like the first part, and then I'll go into another part and show you some more businesses where you can do this at. Cool.